I use this method for my previous channel. If you have been following me on this channel, I always say I have another channel before this present one. And I use this method for my previous channel to get my 1000 subscribers in few days. And this same method, I have recommended to few people and they also get their desired subscribers. I am going to tell you this simple thing. And the reality is, it is just one simple thing. At the end of the day, I will explain to you the reason why I think you should stop after you already reach your desired subscriber, but the decision is yours, whether you still want to continue to use it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Grow with Kike. How are you doing? How is everything with you? If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. If you're a returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for the share. Thank you for the likes. I really appreciate you and you really mean a lot to me. On my channel today, I'll be showing us how we can get our 1000 subscribers within 5 days. Maybe it's been a while you've been on YouTube, you've been stuck in hundreds of subscribers, maybe 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and you haven't reached your desired 1000 subscribers. On my channel today, I'll be showing us how we can reach these subscribers in just few days, in less than 5 days, using this simple method. A lot of creators will not be frustrated if they actually know they can get this so easily in few days. The journey to monetization will have been lesser to all. To all my new subscribers, welcome in, relax, and let's dive into the main purpose of today's video. The one thing I am going to use is shorts. You know, with shorts, you can get a lot of subscribers in few days. So I'll be showing us how we can use shorts to get our 1000 subscribers in few days. I'm going to show you how to use these shorts in order not to get copyright restriction and in order for it not to affect your channel. What I always tell people is to make sure they upload 5 to 10 videos in a day. 5 to 10 viral videos in a day will give you nothing less than 200 subscribers. Make sure it is a celebrity video or any other viral video, maybe a food content video. But the thing about food content video is you need to make sure you delete these videos in few days, so that you will not get copyright strike. Short has tendency to travel far. If you follow the step I just listed here, you will not get copyright strike, you will not get flagged, and you will get a lot of subscribers. You can even get your 1000 subscriber in a day. I am so sure about what I am saying. I have recommend this method to a lot of people, and I can tell you for sure that if you follow it the way I just listed it out here, you can get your 1000 subscriber in a day. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Play Store and download the app you will use to download your video. For those that has not been downloading video, I use video downloader. Some use IG Saver, depends on the one you use. So once you download it from your Play Store, this is the app on my phone. After downloading it, then you move to Instagram. I always take most of my video from Instagram, but you can also use TikTok, depends on the one you want. So once you get to your Instagram, you see the search button or down below. Just click on the search button and it will take you to this place where we have viral video. So most times I like to use celebrity video because most times people don't claim ownership of celebrity video, unlike other viral video like food content or other content entirely, where people can claim ownership at any time. So after you click on the video, you will see an arrow that indicates copy link. Then you're going to copy that link, the video link. Then you come to this video downloader, paste the video, then you download it. After download it, if you go to your video gallery, the video will be there. After you already downloaded the video to your gallery, Then the next thing you are going to do is you're going to go to your YouTube app where you always upload video. When you get to your YouTube app, underneath it, you are going to click on the plus button. That is where you upload your videos. So you see video, shorts, live, and post. You're going to click on short video. That is where to upload your video from. Then you click on the video from your gallery. When you click on the video, you're going to click on the done. We are going to click on done. This will process the video to the next stage. So you know the video already has its own sound. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on add sound. So YouTube is going to recommend YouTube approved sound for you. So here now you can choose any music you want, but there is always chance for you to choose recommended sound, recommended video. So any sound you click here is approved by YouTube. You cannot get copyright restriction from it. So when you choose your desired sound, then you click on OK. You click on the tick sign. That is, you already select your sound. So this is it. The video is it. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to add text. That is the hey sound the hey sign you see here. When you click on it, then you are going to type any beautiful and catchy text of your choice. So this is a video of Priscilla and husband Juma Jack. So it is a very popular video that will always catch people's attention. So once you put in your text, you're going to drag it to where you want to place it, where you want it to be. So once you drag it to where you want it to be, you already put in the music, then the text. Then you are going to put your title. Just make sure you put any beautiful title that goes along with the video. So here I put Priscilla and Obi Jumadox. After you put in your title, make sure your title is catchy. After you put your title, then you're going to use hashtag. Any hashtag that goes along with the video is what you should put. Here I use hashtag celebrity news, hashtag short videos, and another hashtag, making three hashtag. After putting your title, then you're going to move to visibility. Always make sure your visibility is on public. Don't put it in unlisted. If you put it in unlisted, nobody will be able to watch it unless they have the link. And don't privatize it. Don't put it in membership only, because if you put it in membership only those that registered for your membership will be able to see it. And don't schedule it. Just make sure it is on public. Once you put it on public, then the next thing is you're going to select your audience. Put it in no, it is not made for kids. Then you upload your videos. After getting your desired subscribers, make sure you price the video or you put it in unlisted. It's not as if this video can hurt your channel in any way, but what this video can cost to your channel is it will keep bringing a lot of subscribers to you, and a lot of people that are subscribing through this video might not actually relate or watch your long video. Then start uploading your own personal video. Your own personal video will increase your watch hour. One thing about short is short does not really increase your watch hour unless you have 10 million short view. With that, you can with 10 million short views, you can monetize your channel. But if it is not up to 10 million, you cannot monetize with short. So after you get your desired subscriber, make sure you start uploading your own personal video so that so that your watch hour will start counting in order for you to get your 4,000 watch hour, and in order for you to be able to get people that will be watching your own long video. Another advantage of long video is when you finally monetize your channel, long video pay a lot, much more than a short video. Short videos only pay a little amount of money compared to what YouTube pay long video. I hope you enjoy this video. If that is true, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.